Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying the file format and exporter settings from the source application, because import errors usually stem from mismatched export options. Once done, enable the appropriate Blender add-ons and set scene units and scale to match the source. Then import a test file and immediately inspect the outliner and armature, making small fixes like applying transforms or removing extra constraints, so the skeleton and keyframes arrive clean and predictable for the next steps. Once the file is in Blender, focus on skeletal mapping and deformation. Check that the imported armature matches your target rig and use automatic bone mapping or retargeting tools where possible to speed the process. Make sure to apply rotation and scale to both mesh and armature, then inspect weight painting and run a quick playthrough in the timeline. If interpolation looks off, adjust keyframe easing or bake action to clean keyframes, because clean curves produce predictable playback and easier edits. Finish by baking cleaned animations to keyframes and organizing them into NLA strips so you can mix and layer motions non-destructively. Then verify textures and materials, pack or relink image files, and convert shaders to Blender-friendly nodes. Finally, export a trim test asset and run it in your target engine or render a preview to confirm behavior. If issues occur, a common troubleshooting tip is to apply all transforms, check bone naming consistency, and re-import a minimal test.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.